Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this gem of a toy. Look at it. It's awesome. It's the Stunt Riders. Ages 14 and up. Remember that. Remember that. It's made by Force1. They're an Amazon seller of toy quadcopters. Well, let's get it out of the box and check it out. Okay, there it is out of the box. You got your transmitter, you have your additional parts, you got your manual, and you got your little dude. And I will say, if you really look close at this little dude right here, it looks like Ron Brown. I think it does. And this would be, see this right here? This would be Ron doing one of those manual trains back in the Old West. You know, he'd be going up and down with that thing, you know, with them old coal cars, you know, going like that. Yeah, that's right up Ronnie's alley right there. Anyway, I really don't know what this little thing is here on the side. I don't know if it's a spare or no. Those props are way bigger. I don't know what the point of that is, but there's the charge port right there. I do not know what size the internal battery is. I looked online and on their Amazon site and for the stats for this thing, and I never could find the size of the battery, but I'm saying probably going to be like a 300 or something of that nature. Now when we take it to fly it over there in the apartment, I'm going to fly it around over there in this mode here, you know, not the paraglider mode. It has this mode, the paraglider mode. I'm not going to fly it in that. Oh, that's what that is, I guess. That's because it goes the other direction. That's like a front looking prop. Like it makes it look like a plane, like. Okay, so I see what that's for now. So I guess when you're going that way, it would spin. Probably the centrifugal force, you know, the air pushing against it would spin that thing. But I'm not going to do that mode indoors. I'm only going to fly it around like this indoors in this mode, just to get the feel of the head and what direction it goes and stuff like that. Now it's got the dude on there. Now if you took the guy off, I'm sure it would double the flight time because the guy is pretty big, you know. So anyway, here's the bag of stuff. You got your charger, which is just a USB, micro USB cable, and then it's got the little paraglider, the tail, to make it like a plane, because that's what it's trying to imitate in the paraglider mode. It's trying to imitate a plane. And then the bar, the trapeze bar, which is going to be right here. But when I take it to fly it outside, I'm going to put it in that mode. But indoors, I'm just going to fly it in this mode right here. So, and then here you got your transmitter, and it has the options on here for your paraglider mode or your regular like quadcopter mode. There's your on and off switch. There's your takeoff and land, headless mode, or no, high and low speed, and then the headless mode over here. Oh, and then this button here is like a pre-programmed little stunt button. We'll try it out over there. If it crashes, you know, it's got carpeting in there, so I don't think it'll do any damage. So, yeah, the manual's laid out real nice too. It's pretty straightforward. And it tells you how to put together, it gives you the assembly instructions for the paraglider mode. But I'm not going to worry about that right now because I'm not going to do it right now anyway. So anyway, let's get it over there and try it out. Alright guys, we're out here with the Force1 Stunt Rider. And there it is. We're going to take it for a little spin around here. And there is the transmitter. This transmitter is very reminiscent of those Potensic transmitters. So I don't know if Potensic actually makes these Force 1 or what, so we'll see. Here is the on and off switch right here, so you would turn that on there. Turn on the transmitter, bind that up, and there it goes. Automatically binds. There's a little light there to let you know it's on right there. Okay, so it has 3 rates. Let's take off. Whoa, look at that thing go. Oh, that thing's cool as hell. Wow. Oh, I love that thing. Oh, this thing's awesome, guys. This thing is real. Look how quick that is. How nimble that thing is. Okay, that's just incredible. Okay, so this is an incredible toy. Let's try this little... Let's see if we have enough room in here to try this little programmed thing that it has in here. This little stunt. Well, that was it. Try it again from over here, see if you can see it a little better. So you go like this. Goes out, spins around. And basically it just goes out and back a little bit. Okay, so. That's how you do the trim. It's like the seam is where you hold this button in and you pull it one way or the other. I trimmed it out already for the most part. Oh, this thing is very cool. Very cool. Let me try a low rate on it. Okay, we're down in the first rate. Let's see how it flies. It's just a little bit slower, but it's still very nimble. It's got the headless mode, but I'm not going to even bother putting it on because I don't like that. So it's confusing. After you fly regularly, headless mode is no good. We'll check out the battery life. Wow, this is a great little toy, guys. I'll put the flight time in there on that little clock, you know, that little clock I put in. I'll put that in there for you. Wow. Can't believe this battery's lasting this long. I'm waiting for the light to start flashing, but I don't see it happening. Not yet. What an awesome toy. Oh, this thing takes a licking and keeps on ticking. Oh, here it goes. Just when I say that, it's going to croak. Perfect landing. Perfect landing. That thing is nice, man. Really nice. I'm really excited about this thing. Wow. There you go. Have a nice day.